here in the rain, little one? I have never seen anything like you before in all my life.
The forest has a way of guiding those who are lost, if only they listen to the quiet whispers of the light that dances between the ancient trees.
Why are the woods so quiet today?
I wish I could bring the life back to this place.
Please, just hold on a little longer. Look at how the forest is waking up again.
It is truly beautiful, just like the old story said.
Look at the way the light catches every drop as it falls from the branches above. It is truly a wonderful and magical day in our village.